Solder down the alternator cord. Super Duty 350. First remove all screw. This is the rectifier diode, is a metal type diode known as germanium type. Also used in battery charger, for car and truck or generator and specially alternator. How to use tester to test the diode. First set the tester to diode test mode or ohms setting. Diode can test forward and reverse, mean forward have deflect and reverse no deflect like a one-way valve. Diode can convert the AC voltage into DC voltage. This the regulator section assembly. What is IC regulator? IC regulator can regulate voltage, mean can regulate 30 volts input or up and the output to 28 volts or 14 volts depend on your system. Fixed voltage, more RPM is more the volt and amps can produce of the alternator and regulator regulate the output voltage of alternator, regulate the output 14 volts. If you remove the regulator into alternator 12 volts, system for sure the voltage of the alternator depend of the RPM of the engine either more than 20 volts, and up will produce the alternator and can cause battery damage or explosion or overcharge. If the regulator fail, there is a safety mechanism inside the regulator that act like a fuse and stop produce electricity to protect the system of the unit in the vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe. For more video update, please click the bell button.